Good morning, this is Deepak. I am in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and have a big event tonight on the soul of leadership. But I had promised yesterday from the airport at Heathrow that I would answer the latest question on discoveringyourcosmicself.com. The questions are from the book You Are the Universe. So Shivanash Mahajan, Shivansh Mahajan, sorry Shivansh, pronouncing your name correctly, Shivansh Mahajan. I have a question that is so significant to me that it pops up every now and then in me and leaves me in awe of my human universe. Since more than 2 years, when I was 16 to 17 years old, I've been learning from your wisdom and also practicing meditation and self-awareness. All this while, I have very frequently observed instances of vivid coincidences in my life. These coincidences range from mere seemingly insignificant observations to major life-impacting incidents. Reading a new word in a book would suddenly pop somewhere else. A song that I happen to think of would suddenly play around, and guessing the right time exactly. And surprisingly meeting new people with common acquaintances. These are just a few minor examples from my life. I feel that these astounding experiences are conveying some sort of message to me, though for most of them I'm unable to decipher their direct implication. At times these instances come out to be mysterious solutions to certain problems or questions in my life, such as wishing for something and then happens very precisely and accurately. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude at that time, but I wonder if these are just normal experiences that I tend to overestimate, or is there some hidden wisdom in each experience? Some do say that I'm taking it too seriously, while others say that the experiences are effects of meditation. I believe that these coincidences are always intelligent and shaping my life for the best. Are mere coincidences not really coincidences in pure consciousness? Are these experiences some kind of hints for the conscious universe? If yes, does this open doors to understanding the cosmic mind? Your answer would mean a lot to me. Thank you and lots of love. Okay, so here is, I actually made some notes on the plane for you, Shivansh. So here is what I can say in the next 15 minutes, since I have an appointment after that. First of all, synchronicity is a well-known phenomenon in Carl Jung's literature, and in the Vedanta it's called Ritam Bhara Pragya. Ritam means rhythm, literally, Sanskrit word for rhythm, Bhara Pragya, whose mind is embedded with the cosmic mind. Ritam, rhythm, Bhara Pragya, whose intellect is in alignment with the symphony of the universe. So, first of all, congratulations, you're plugged in. That's all I can say. Here are some of the characteristics of synchronicity which you're actually experiencing. The first, it's a conspiracy of improbabilities, which means many improbable events come together and conspire to fulfill an intention you've had either consciously or unconsciously. Secondly, these events are acausally linked through meaning, which means one event is not the cause of the other event. They're all connected to each other, but they're acausally linked through meaning. Meaning is, of course, the highest meaning is love in action, but anything that's a product of love in action is also meaning, and so these events are linked together. Okay. Third, they're orchestrated in a non-local reality. Non-local means outside of space and time. Outside of space-time, where everything is inseparable and coinciding with everything else. Number 4, they move you into higher consciousness, intuition, creativity, higher vision, a sense of the sacred, connecting with the cosmic mind, so to speak. Number 5, of course, intention has something to do with it, either conscious or unconscious. Number 6, when you experience these incidences, you start to transform. Your internal identity goes from just a personal identity to a larger identity, a non-local cosmic identity. Discovering your cosmic self is the subtitle of the book. So your identity slowly starts to move in that direction. Number 8, you find that you can no longer go back. This transformation is such that there's no going back. And finally, you start seeing yourself as the source of everything that happens in your own universe. So you're a participant with all that exists in the universe. Now, here are some things you can do to magnify that experience, accelerate that experience. First, look at the environment or the universe as your extended body. Start to think of the universe as your extended body. First of all, start with the planet. The trees are your lungs, the rivers and waters are your circulation, the air is your breath, the earth is recycling as your body. So you have a personal body, then you have a universal body, because even the stars and the sun are the light that bring life to you. So don't look at the world as outside yourself, but as an extension of yourself. You have a personal body, a cosmic body, and they're both equally yours. Number 2, learn through the mirror of relationship. Every relationship is karmic and moves us to a higher awareness if we understand the significance of that relationship. Number 3, be emotionally free. Don't have resentments, grievances, or judgments about yourself or other people. Number 4, make your internal reference point your core being, beyond your skin-encapsulated ego. Number 5, balance your biological rhythms. Sleep well, do meditation and yoga, but always align yourself with the rhythms of the universe. Number 6, ask yourself, what do I want in meditation? That sets the right intention. And number 7, harmonize the masculine and the feminine in your own being. So in summary, what you're experiencing is synchronicity. Chronos means time. Synchronos means synchronized in time. Coincidence, coinciding in time. And this means that, as I said earlier, when I started this conversation, you're actually plugged in to your deeper self. Atman is Brahman, remember? The self of the individual is the self of the universe. So that's it. Solongo Clay Witter says, focus on the timeless. Be the timeless. You don't need to focus, just be. Okay, being is the highest intelligence. To be observing yourself without judging yourself, and that's the best. Milana Jetwick says, I don't believe in coincidences. Milana, then you won't experience them. So good luck to you. You might want to just watch TV or something. No, I'm kidding. Milana, if you don't believe in something, it's not going to happen. Because it's not seeing is believing, it's the other way around. When you believe in something, then it happens and you see it as well. Solongo says, no more barbarism, only love. Yes, to love. Love is the highest intelligence. Okay, Mary says, everything is in sync, perfectly aligned. The trick is recognizing how all the pieces fit together. That's it. We are part of a big jigsaw puzzle, and Every piece must fit. So you have a unique gift to offer to the world, and the world is ready for you. Okay, so this is my take today from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Wish you all the best, and we will be in touch. Milana says, I believe that all interactions are synchronized, but not by accident as a coincidence. Coincidence is coinciding, so it's just a matter of terminology. Okay, Milana, thanks for the clarity. Thanks for the clarity. It's a clarability. Okay, all the best, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, love.